Hi YouTube, it's Princess Diamond. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be doing a crochet style. I'll be giving you guys the details on the hair, the braid pattern, as well as how to crochet in the hair. So the hair that I'm using is this new crochet hair from Ywigs, and as you can tell from the screen, the hair looks a little different, right? So this hair is 100% human hair. The curl pattern is deep wave and the length of this hair is 20 inches. And for each pack of hair or each bag, you do get 2 bundles of hair. So you get quite a bit of hair. And a little later, I will show you guys how much one pack of hair was able to fill up the head, just so you can get a visual of how much hair you're really getting. And so the hair is soft, it's very bouncy, so I liked it, and I knew I was going to like it. I've used Ywigs hair before in the past, but what caught me off guard with this hair was the way that it was made. So as you guys can see, there's a string in the center that attaches the hair on both sides. And this just makes it easier for when you are crocheting in the hair and creating a knot. It helps to keep that knot in place so it does not come undone. I don't know if you guys have experienced this with working with crochet hair that is not pre-looped or does not have a loop or something to that effect on the crochet hair. When you have to make your knots, some crochet hair tends to come undone or tends to slip, and this just reduces that issue. So super cool. I was not expecting that. So now I'm going to go into the braid pattern of this. So I started out with sectioning her hair with a part straight down the middle from the very front all the way straight to the back. And then I'm going to also do another part from ear to ear, leaving a small section in the front. So I'm going to start out with doing all of the front braids first. So I'm just cornrowing her hair in this front section, just going straight back. I did do 16 braids in this front section. So there were 8 on one side and 8 on the other side. Okay, so these are the braids in the front. And then for the back section, I'm just going to connect these braids 2 at a time into one braid going straight down. So I'm taking 2 of the front braids and I'm just creating it into one braid going down. That first braid is also being braided across her nape, and then the next braid that I do will be on the opposite side. And I'm going to braid it the same way with connecting the front 2 braids going straight down into one braid, and then I'm going to connect it with that first original braid that I did across her nape. And then I'm going to finish off the rest of the braids the same way by again joining the front 2 braids together into one braid going down and then just connecting each braid as I go on. Don't forget to oil the scalp. Once the braiding is done, as you guys can see, I have a total of 16 small braids in the front and 8 large braids in the back. Working with this crochet hair is pretty easy. There's no mess since all of the hair is attached to a string. You're just going to pick the one piece that you need and start the crochet. So I'm putting the crochet needle underneath the braid and grabbing the section of the crochet hair by the string and pulling that through. And then I'm going to grab one piece of the hair and pull it through to create a knot. So typically with the smaller braids, my crochet needle will go all the way through the whole bottom of the braid. But with the bigger braids, you'll see when I go up, right here, my crochet needle is going through half of the braid through the bottom. But I'm still doing the same process of crocheting it in. I'm just basically creating the knot on half of the braid rather than around the whole braid. So this is how much hair has been installed, and we've only used 1 pack of hair so far. So now I'm just going to continue doing the same thing on the front section. I did use 2 full packs, and then I did have a 3rd pack that I used a very small amount of hair from that 3rd pack. And here's the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check the description for the link to the hair, and also like this video and subscribe to the channel. And I'll talk to you guys in my next one. Be blessed, stay protected, and stay filled with love and peace.